Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be for those of you who are always in states that are excluded from remote jobs, because this one is hiring nationwide throughout the United States. Any state, they don't have any state restrictions, and they're paying anywhere from $15 to $22 an hour. Of course, pay is always dependent on things like location and experience. We're going to dive all in. Of course, the links, if you want to put that application in, are in the YouTube description box below this video. And I always ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, today's job lead is from the company New York Life. They are a life insurance company, or they're an insurance company, or rather. They have 5,300 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer care advocate. So they're basically looking for somebody to take those inbound customer calls that have general inquiries regarding their short-term and state disability benefits, eligibility for benefits, coverage, and payment status, as well as you will provide solutions for the customers for any problems that they have just over that phone call. So you're going to do things like eligibility associated with their disability, understanding their claim status if it is pending, helping them understand when the claim is paid, different disability plans. You might have to research customer information and then type and input data into the system. You'll just have to make sure the customer is satisfied overall. So you definitely need to be a critical thinker and a problem solver. Best thing about this position is they don't require any kind of college degree, though. They're only requiring a high school diploma or GED. Of course, an actual higher degree is always preferred, but not required. You do have to have some kind of customer service experience and be able to use those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel, Outlook, great communication skills, and great organizational skills. Now, the shift for this position is going to be like a mid shift. They're looking for somebody to start anywhere between 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Eastern time and end your day from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. So it is that middle of the day shift. Pay is anywhere from $32,500 a year all the way up to $47,500 a year. Now, real quickly, if you have not seen my last video about a new website, the link that is posted, if you are interested in putting that application in, is going to bring you straight to this page. And I just wanted to show a little bit about what I'm doing on the website. You have your title and your little image about the job. And for those of you who like the Glassdoor pages, I have the website kind of laid out in who the company is. It's a little excerpt from Glassdoor about what the company does. And there's a link to their Glassdoor page if you're interested in going and reading the reviews. I've put it all right there. The position is summary, job details, requirements, pay. And if you're interested in putting that application in, there's a big apply now button that'll bring you straight to this page. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.